everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa. I thought I'd do a quick demonstration on how we get blue tack, chewing gum, whatever that type of product is in your rug, or in this case, if you see how much come down, we've got a really hard piece of, I'm going to say it's blue tack, and it's in there good and proper. It's coming out the back end, as you can see. So we've got to try and remove that. It's not going to come out in the wash. So there's two possible ways. There's the way that we're going to do it, and then there's the chemical way. You could put some solvent on there, really strong solvent, and that would slowly break it up and you can start to push it out. But it's just as quick really to do it with some steam. So we use really hot steam, we just power it in, it melts it all down, and then we just gently tease it out. The best thing about it is that it costs us nothing to do it, rather than £2 or £3 worth of chemical just to try and get that out. And there's a slight possibility that you could damage the rug. The dyes in this rug at the moment are quite unstable. You can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, the cameras don't pick up dye bleeds so good. But this has had quite a lot of dye bleed anyway. So the last thing we want to do is start putting solvents on there if we can help it. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to get on and get this blue tack out of here and show you how we do it. So we've got a few blunt instruments and sharp instruments, and then a terry towel. The terry towel is going to go under just to catch the bits so they don't go everywhere. We start off with something nice and sharp, and all we're doing is making some holes. And this will help the steam to get in there. And then it's just a matter of steaming it for the next 5 or 6 minutes. And then slowly teasing it. As you can see, it's starting to get nice and gooey already. Certainly not a quick job, and not a nice job, to be honest. But as long as you take your time, it will come out eventually. So my steam is not brilliant. It's starting to lose a bit of steam now, so what I'll do is I'll leave that now. Most of it's out, as you can see. There's just a little bit there. I'll have a little play with that in a bit. And yeah, I'm pretty confident we'll get the rest of that out, no problem. Okay, so steam is heated up again for us. Just got a few little bits to get out of these creases. It's just about teasing it out really, without burning your fingers. As you can see, it comes out, once it's nice and hot and emulsified, it comes out relatively easy. Just peels away from wherever it is attached to. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much all of it's out now, so it's just a matter of putting it under water in the pit, getting it washed, a little bit of solvent just to break up them last little bits, and that'll come out in the wash, and it should be pretty much all nice and perfect, and the fringe will be nice and clean. No dye bleed, which is good, apart from a little bit there. Came off the bottom of the rug. But if I'd have put solvent on it, the solvent would have spread further and further, and it would have pretty much ruined that little part of the rug. So safe, quick, what more can you ask for? Cheers. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, or best still leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.